How to register a demo account on XM Trading. First, you will sign into your real account, and then you want to click on real here in the top left corner, and then from here you will see the my account section. You want to click on demo, and if you want to create a demo account, you will just click on the plus sign found in the bottom right corner, and we're going to choose demo account. From here you will choose the MetaTrader type. I'm just going to leave it as MetaTrader 5. And also you will choose your account type. So you have XM0, and also you have the ultra low standard. Click on continue. Then you can set or customize your trading account from this section. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click on continue, and you will need to set a password for this. So I'm just going to create a password, and I'm going to click on complete. And now your demo account is ready. As you can see, we have just created a demo account with XM Trading. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.